Hi guys, so today we want to do some factorization. Now we're going to do factorization where we have the difference of two squares. So let's just recap the general form for difference of two squares. If we have, let's say, a squared, take away b squared, that is equal to a, take away b, open brackets, a plus b. Now remember that in between these two brackets is an invisible multiplication sign right here, right? So that means that multiplication is commutative, meaning that so let's try another one. Let's try x squared take away 9. So that's same as saying x squared take away 3 squared, x take away 3, x plus 3. Try another one. Let's say 36. So if you want to try this on your own, pause the video and come back to it and see if you get the correct answer. So you get x squared minus 6 squared, that is same as x minus 6, x plus 6. Right? So looking at all the examples here, the general form, a squared minus b squared. So this is the general form here. It just so it's simple, it's a pattern as a pattern, very simple pattern. Now what I want to do next, so again, if you want to take down anything, just pause the video and you can take it down. So what I want to do next, I just want to take it to another level. So I want to erase so let's just erase this, I guess. So I'll just pause the video and get back to it until you have a clean slate. So we want to try this question out. Let's try 4x squared minus 25. Okay, let's just leave it as that. 4x squared minus 25. Now at first you might watch this and be like, okay, well you know that 4x squared take away, no, okay, 5 squared. Some of you might go on to say 4x minus 5, 4x plus 5, but that's wrong because this 4x squared here, we could write that as 4x squared is same as this 2 squared, x squared minus 5 squared. Again, you need to be mindful of the square numbers. 4, 9, 25, 36, you know, all those numbers. So it's the same as saying 2x all squared minus 5 squared. Now this is now in the form a squared minus b squared. So we can see first term 2x, take away 5, and then 2x, that should be 2x plus 5. So again, we have 4x squared minus 25. You need to recognize, okay, 25 is the same as 5 squared. The 4x squared is the same as 2x all squared. And from there, you can put it in the general form. So what if I have the question 16x squared take away 36? So we need to recognize again 16 and 36. Well, again, think what is square numbers? Well, we know that, okay, 16 is the same as 4 squared. So I put 4 squared x squared take away 6 squared, 36, 6 squared, same as 4x whole squared take away 6. So we get 4x take away 6, 4x plus 6. You see, easy way there. So I'm going to try another one. Let's use a different color here now. Okay, so supposing I have 49x squared take away 100y squared. Again, it's the same thing. You need to recognize that, okay, 49 is 7 squared, 100 is 10 squared. So what I could say, so I'm going to jump a step. I could say 7x all squared take away 10y all squared. So I did not put in this second step that we did up here. I jumped to, I left this here. Oops. I jumped to this step here. So from here again, first term 7x take away 10y, and the other bracket I'll get 7x plus 10y. So that's basically it for completing the square. You can go over all the examples that was done here. You can also go through your CXC past papers or any question papers that you have. Look for question. Now, sometimes a lot of students ask, okay, when do I use difference of two squares? We use difference of two squares. You see, we need to look at it. For difference of two squares, we have only two terms. One term, second term. One term, second term. And same as the other examples. Now, after we have identified, okay, we have two terms. The next thing we are looking out for is the square numbers. So you see how we have 36, 100, 49, 60. Look out for those numbers. And you can identify that, maybe this I could use difference of two squares here. Maybe I could put it in the form difference of two squares. So try it. Go through different questions you have from past notes and stuff like that, and try these questions. Any problems you all have, you all can message me. Okay, bye.